This is TCL 408, and today I will show how you can add an event to calendar on this device. So first step is to launch the calendar app. After that, you will need to select the date for your event. Then hit this plus icon, choose an event option from the list, and add all the event details that you want. For example, title, timeframes, repetitiveness, and so on. Then once all the changes you wanted to make are made, hit the save button to save the event, apparently. And here it is. Alrighty, so that will be it for this video. Thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye bye.